After you purchased your Aliffiliate plugin, you will be navigated to the download page. Click on the link to download the plugin in compressed zip format. Navigate to Get Ready page to access additional information, videos and materials which will help you to start your affiliate shop. Next, you need to install the Aliffiliate plugin you just downloaded. Go to Menu Plugins, select Add New, then go to Upload Plugin button on top, and browse for the Aliffiliate zip file. Click Install Now and your plugin will be installed. Then click on Activate Plugin. Aliffiliate is now installed and ready to use.